Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in again. And today I'm going to do another Poshmark surprise unboxing. Everyone loves surprises. Well, if they're really good surprises. If I recall, I think I ordered a $30 mystery box, which can contain anything from clothes to makeup. So we shall see. If you're interested to find out my surprises, please keep on watching. So we got a box right here. First item. Oh! Salvaje denim.
Who's that gonna fit?
Well, it's definitely not gonna fit me because it's a size 5. But it could fit you.
That is not gonna fit me.
Yeah, I can. Look. It's stretchy. Next up, it's a black dress. Skirt. No, it's a skirt. That's really big. Wait, moving on. Okay, more denim. Oh, wow. It's Earl jeans. Is this blue or black? And it's a size 5 again. Definitely not my size. Would you like to try it? What is this? What is this? Oh, by Aliyah. Like a windbreaker jacket. Ah. It's nice. See-through.
It's so ugly. Don't call it that. You're lying to them. Oh no.
There's like rhinestones on. Well, not rhinestones. Okay, no, there's not rhinestones. Well, this is not bad. I'm not gonna wear it, but still more in the box. What is this, string? What do you call this thing, honey? A layered? A lanyard? Lanyard?
That's a lanyard.
Lanyard. That says, cannabis is not a crime. Do you want this, Rena?
No, are you kidding?
Next up, okay, we're back to black. It's a skirt. A basic black skirt, which will not fit me. So far, half of this is going to the Salvation Army. What's this? Oh, maybe you like this. It's like a windbreaker. Would Vivi like this? There's no brand. Oh, it looks reversible. Oh, it turns into a vest. You can remove the sleeves.
No way.
Yes. Do you like this?
It's honestly not that bad.
Ah, okay. We'll put this in the maybe pile. There's still more. Oh, God. Oh, it's a vest. Huntington Convention Center of Cleveland. Wow. Okay, so far, there's nothing in here that I can wear or would want to wear. Bright coral cable and gauge short sleeve top. The no pile is growing bigger and bigger. This is not bad. It's a simple V-neck, stretchy top. Rena, would you wear this?
No.
Okay. No pile it is. Still going, there's more. Oh, we're sticking now to the blue colors. Cable and gauge. No.
This is like a mom's wardrobe. Why is it?
I have another, oh God. Oh, look at the rhinestones. Wow. I'm getting close to the end of the box and I'm like disappointed. What is this? A floral? Please tell me it's floral, not an animal. Oh, this is not bad. Not bad. But would I wear it? No. Okay. Is there anything else? That's it? It's just clothes? I thought there would be something else in here other than like clothes that from the 90s.
These are not from the 90s.
Early 2000?
Yeah.
Oh my God. The only thing other than clothes was like got this freaking layered lanyard that says cannabis is not a crime. Who wants this? Do you want it? I keep on asking you that. All right. Usually surprises are good. This surprise was not so good, but it was fun doing it. I'm really disappointed. I wanted to get something nice out of this. Okay, well, that's it for my unboxing. So, if you enjoyed this video, which I think I doubt, it was really, please share, like, subscribe. See you next time. God, I was expecting other stuff. I'm really disappointed. I feel deflated. Are you gonna try this vest? Come on. It's not bad. If you want to look like Marty McFly.